Hey, what's up guys? I just want to say before we start the video that nobody has claimed the Grayson sneakers. You still have a chance to claim them. Eric C and Song Hung, I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing the names wrong, but you guys won. I know I didn't mention in none of my videos, but I did it in a comment down below. I believe it was the video on the shoe tree review. I let the comment down below with announcing the winners, but nobody has claimed them. If you want to have a chance to win, if nobody claims them and you still want a chance to win, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel and follow me at IG. But if they claim them, that's it. But if they don't claim them by the next video, then you still have a chance to win. Now let's get back to this video. Hey, what's up, Festus? Your boy Gad coming again with another Menlo Club video, and this is for the month of September. I know October is just around the corner, but we are getting some cool jackets that are gonna go well with last month to the next coming month's package. And if you want to get whatever's inside this package or the New Republic Kurt sneakers in the black colorway, go ahead and use the link in the description. You're gonna get them for $20, and that's a steal because the all white Kurt sneakers were on GQ's #1 sneaker of the summer. So without being said, let's get back into this package, because hopefully I get the bomber jacket or I forgot what was the other jacket that I saw that D was wearing when he was doing the review package. But let's get into it. Alright, so here it is. And we did got a new bag. I don't know if this is gonna be the final design for the bag, but it's a lightweight bag. And what's good about this, that it has a little tape, so if something doesn't fit, you could just take out this adhesive and just, you know, glue it back together and just ship it back. So that's easier to ship back, so that's good about it. And this is for the month of September. So we got a t-shirt. Wow, this is actually very different than all the other shirts. It actually feels like very premium. When you get your package, you're gonna see what I'm talking about. All right, so yes, it looks like a bomber jacket. Yes, so like I mentioned, this month's package is gonna go well for what we got last month. I'm actually wearing the chinos that I got last month, but as you can see, I just throw this baby on and it's good to go. So does it have any pockets? No pockets inside. But this little cool detail right here, I kind of like. It seems like it has 2 pockets. Or if you don't like this pocket, you could just put it in there and just zip it. So that's pretty nice. So let's try this baby on. So far, I like the fit, perfect, just the way I like my jacket to fit. It's not too like puffy like other bomber jackets. This has like a slim fit to it, so which is nice. So with that being said, I'm gonna give you a full Alright guys, so this is pretty much it. And remember, if you want to get your first Menlo Club package for $20, use the link on the description. You're going to get your first month for $20. You might get this nice bomber jacket, or you could get the Kurt black sneakers next month for $20. And those sneakers, they run up to like $89, and you're getting them for $20. And the white Kurt sneakers ended up in GQ #1 top summer shoe for 2018. So that's all I have for you today. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one. And like always,